Good morning to all my awesome friends. Wake up, wake up. It's shout out time. And you know, Grandma, I love to promote different channels, even my own. This is my own new channel with my daughter. Now, I have been sick, and so she wasn't going to put anything up for a while on this channel. But because I couldn't get over to get these videos because I've been ill, she decided to go ahead and put them up on the new channel, for there'll be some kind of content and they wouldn't be wasted. So, let's hope you go over and join the new channel if you haven't already. And as you see, there's only 5, so it's a pretty good chance you haven't. And watch the videos that my daughter put up. There's 3 of them there now. And give her a little bit of love for all the work she put into these videos. Don't forget to tell her that I sent you over, and give her a nice little comment along with joining up. And this channel will be growing and getting a lot more content in the future. So we'll see what happens. If we can't get together, maybe she'll put the videos up on this one. If we can get together, we'll probably be up on the old channel for at least another month or 2. I think we're planning on really putting a lot of content up starting in March. There'll be a lot of DIY projects. You know, my daughter is really good at DIYs. So, go over and give her some love. She worked really hard putting those videos together and putting them up. Like I said, usually we do it together, but because I've been sick, she had to do it all by her little lonesome. So go over there and give her some love. And don't forget to check out all the other channels. And don't forget to tell them that Grandma sent you over. Leave a comment and say, Grandma Sandy sent me over. For they know that I am trying to give love and support to all my small YouTubers out here. Even my own channel. Or I say our channel, me and my daughter. So, go over there. This is the new channel we're going to be having. Give it some love. Give it some support. There's travel, and you know how much I love travel. I don't do a lot of traveling, but I love watching channels that do traveling. And now Mr. Peanut wants her videos because they're full of high energy, and she does a great, great job. I really have enjoyed it. I haven't watched all of her content yet, but she puts a lot of different kinds of content up. It isn't just dancing and hearing music and acting full of energy around a pumpkin patch. You're going to see a lot of different content on her channel, but she puts a lot of love and enthusiasm in everything she does. I think you're going to enjoy her videos. Like I said, I have enjoyed them. Let's hope you do. And the pumpkin patch video, I think, is really worth watching. You guys have got to give it a chance. Turn it on, watch it. I think she'll put a smile on your face. But this isn't all she does. She gives you lots of information how to make people watch your videos. So make sure you watch her. She's a lot of fun and a lot of high energy. And that's what Grandma likes, different kinds of content. And you're going to see a lot of newer channels. Now, her channel isn't too big yet. Not because I don't think she's not a great channel, because she probably just hasn't had the channel going that long. This one got 33 views. I don't understand it because it's a super cute video, and I really watched it a couple times. And as you can see, she's got that big energy about her and that big smile, and I was like that too. And she's full of great information. She's not going to bore you at all. So go check out this channel. Endless Lifestyle. Oh my gosh, I love this channel. Just started following her. You won't see my name very much because I haven't watched too many of her videos yet. But what I've watched, I've really enjoyed. And like I said, there's a lot of different content. So go over there and check her out. You're going to find, if you don't like one thing, go to another thing. That's what I always say. But the pumpkin patch was really, really nice. I loved it. It was beautiful, and she did a wonderful job on this video. Here's another one of her videos, How to Become an Influencer in 2022. Great pay details, fast tips. So this is a channel that's not going to just have one content. It's going to have multiple things for you to enjoy. And it's going to give you lots of things to think about and learn about. Now, I'm not saying I would do some of the things she's done, not because they're not all great tips. Some of it's just not me. But this is really a great video to watch too. And you can see she can do anything. And you can tell how high energy she is at all times. So you're not going to get bored watching her videos. Don't forget to also check out How to Become an Influencer in 2022. Like I said, she can do anything and she's awesome. Check her out. This video did get 71 views, but honestly, I think she should be having hundreds of views because she's great. You're going to love her. Go check her out. This one is going to rocket up. It just takes time. And you guys need to go check her out. See if you can make some new tips for 2022 from her. She is a really good. Now this channel I've been watching quite a while. So she's not a new channel for me. But I love her energy also. She's super sweet, super kind. And if you're following her and if she likes your comments, I'm sure she'll follow you back. She's very good at following people back. So this is someone, if you're trying to build up a channel, check her out. Now, what does she do on her channel? Well, she does quite a few different things, but she does a lot of unboxings and shares a lot of different products that she gets. And she does a really good job at doing it. So this would be someone, if you're wanting to do some unboxing and want to get better at it, go check her out, her channel. If you want to model clothes on your channel, this would be another one to watch. I think she does a pretty good job at unboxing the clothes that she buys and shares how to put them on, how to wear them, how to put them with other items. I love her channel, and like I said, she's full of energy. And I don't get bored watching her channel. She doesn't make the videos so long you say, oh my God, when is this video ending? No, they're quick, right to the point, and something you're going to enjoy. And she does a great job with them. So I'm giving her a big shout out. If you want a really good channel, this is one of the ones you should go check out. You're not going to get bored. And if you like clothes, you're going to love her channel. But she does more than that. Here's some more of the videos she does on her channel. And of course, she does share her family also. Oh my gosh, they're such a sweet family. And, you know, there's lots of great content on this channel and lots of good food. So please go check her out. I know you're going to love her. And like I said, her videos are not overly long, right to the point, and they don't bore you. I always watch her videos from the beginning to the end. They're not long. I think I can take 5 to 6 minutes out of my day to watch a really well put together video. And hers are always well put together. Go check her out. You'll love her. At least I do. Here's another one of my awesome friends. I've been following her for a while also, and she does really, really good home decor videos. I hope you go and check her out. You're going to really enjoy her videos too. And if you're not already following her, please think about it. Go over and check her out. And don't forget to let her know that Grandma Sandy sent you if you're new to her channel. And if you're not new to her channel, just go over and give her a little bit of love. We all need a little bit of love. Now let's see what other things she has on her channel. She does an awesome, awesome job on home decor. Just look at some of her beautiful things she did for Christmas. Oh my gosh, they were beautiful. And I don't know why her numbers weren't twice as big, as hard as she works on her videos. And they always look so beautiful too. She is a great channel, full of great content if you're interested in home decor and decorating. And here's some of her Halloween posts she put up. Aren't they wonderful? Look at them. Oh my gosh, Halloween Tea Party Club. That was one of my favorites. Oh my gosh, you guys have got to go watch that one. I've watched that a couple of times. I just loved it. It's not that long, but it's so much fun to watch. So, if you want to go see a really great channel on home decor, this is one of them. She has all kinds of wonderful videos. Look at it. Didn't she do an awesome job decorating this Tea Party Club fall edition? The little round table just perfectly decorated for Halloween, and two best friends sitting down for a cup of tea, and the pumpkin teapot, and the jack-o'-lantern lit up in the background, and the candelabra. Oh my gosh, this was one of my favorites. Make sure you go check it out. And you know what channel to go to, don't you? Now you can see she's got under 1,000 followers, but she's doing really good on her views. And you know why she's doing good on her views? From great content like this. So if you're not already following her, you need to go over there and check her channel out. She puts a lot of time and effort into her videos, and they are very, very well done, as you can see. And her videos are always very good quality. Please go check her out, my dear friends, and don't forget to tell her Grandma Sandy sent you. Well, here is my friend's channel. Please go check him out and see if you like his content. Like I said, he is a very loyal friend. And make sure that you tell him Grandma Sandy sent you. Videos are all very, very short, so you don't have to worry about watching long videos. Just click on, give him a comment back, and you will see what a loyal friend he is. Lots of different content on his channel also, but you will never watch a long video.